The first thing you will see when logging into the Tres platform is the homepage, and at the top right corner there are tabs. In this tutorial, we are interested in the blog tab. Double-click on the tab and once the page has loaded, you will see the articles that have been uploaded on our blog. These articles have headings, name of publisher as well as the date they were published. When you click on the articles, you are able to see the full article with the keywords of the article and the reading duration of that particular article. These articles answer most of the questions which students have. Just by going through the articles and understanding the information provided, a student's journey through the platform can be made so much easier. We post articles every now and again. We will also be including tutorial videos of the features we have in the platform. Once you are on this page, you can always go back to the homepage and continue with exploring the platform.